Jesus, I thank you for those that are watching right now. I pray that the entire household be blessed, full of health and prosper and be healed in Jesus' mighty name. I pray for a massive breakthrough in the entire family. And if you receive that prayer, I need you to type amen right now.
Yes, my people, one more time. For Reid, true Jamaican vibes. Yes, you know I put the Lord first. So thanks for watching my channel. Like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. So right now I'm traveling from Nakalva to Ferris in Westmoreland on the highway. Thanks for watching my people and enjoy the ride. True Jamaican vibes. As you can see today, we have a nice weather today. Very sunny. So my people, when you're driving on this highway, you gotta be very careful. A lot of big unit drive on this highway, so be careful. Yes, my people, if you're traveling from Manchester side or St. Elizabeth, you need to drive on the highway. It is a very easy route to go to Montego Bay at Sangsters International Airport. I know many persons coming from Manchester side or St. Elizabeth, they normally drive through Newmarket side, but from this highway finish, I drive this side and it's very easier for me and very safe. Less corner. So enjoy the ride with me, true Jamaican vibes. I know a lot of persons are watching from all over the world, so enjoy it. One love and one heart, my people. I don't know, Jamaica sweet. Love that place as until can't complain if you just give God thanks and praise, you know. So just enjoy the highway in Westmoreland. Yes, so I want to big up all the workers from China Harbor Engineering Company. Blessings to you all. You did a great job on this highway. One love, you know. Straight out from Reid. So my people, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Look at the hills, my people. Look at the view. Always remember to wear your seatbelt, my people. So the highway is about 90% complete, so you got to be very careful. You may have one or two potholes, so you gotta be very careful. So as I said before, traveling from Manchester side, St. Elizabeth, it is a very easy ride to go into Montego Bay. Very smooth sailing. So we all need to use the Westmoreland Highway. Driving through Newmarket, you know, it's a lot of corners and, you know, slippery when wet, so we have to be careful. So I would rather you take the Westmoreland Highway, my people. I think it's more safe for us. Yes, my people, it's gonna be a little ride, a little journey, so just enjoy it. You know, I give you all some nice Bob Marley music, Garnic Silk, some real Jamaican reggae due to YouTube and copywriting, so just enjoy the ride with me. Enjoy the beautiful Jamaica scenery. Westmoreland. Look in the sky, my people. Natural beauty. So I know a lot of persons are watching all over the world. United States, United Kingdom, Jamaica, also Canada, Cayman Island, Panama, Bahamas. Yes, my people, just enjoy the ride. Yes, man, big up my people them, you know. One love again and one heart. So yes, my people, so you know when you come on the highway, you know, we call it border jerk. So you can stop right here, get the jerk pork, jerk chicken, nice festival, and managed water. Yeah man, sweet Jamaica. No rush, my people. No rush, just take your time. When you're driving on the highway, more safer for us, less accident. So you know in Westmoreland you have a lot of breadfruit in that area. Some big breadfruit, some really large breadfruit. And also remember to have a coconut water. Wash off your heart, my people. Real Jamaican coconut, you know, very refreshing. Security tight on the highway, as you can see. You just pass a police unit right there. True Jamaican vibes by Reid. So you know in Westmoreland you have a lot of falls in Westmoreland. You know you have the Fenton Falls in Westmoreland. Many falls in Westmoreland, but I cannot remember all of the name right now, so you need to visit Westmoreland. Yes, my people, when you're going down this hill, please go in low gear, my people. Yeah man, Jamaica sweet. So you know Reid, real Jamaican tour guide. So you're gonna look out and watch for more videos. Look out for more videos coming soon. So in this area, a lot of police, so you gotta look out for the police. So as I said, always wear a seatbelt and obey the speeding. A lot of police in this area. Yes, my people, Jamaica is so nice. So nice. Many places to visit when you come to Jamaica. Many places. Westmoreland, Reyes, Montego Bay. Yeah, so nice, you know. True Jamaican vibes. As you can see, we have some green grass. We're having a lot of rain from the other day. So we have a lot of blessings. Father, pour down your rain upon us, you know. Natural beauty. Speed, my people. You see that car just passed a while ago. Speed. So when you touch the Jamaica road, don't know, be very careful also. You have some nice houses in Westmoreland, some very nice houses in Westmoreland. Thank you all for watching, my people. True Jamaican Vibes. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.